I gotta go and do my tattoo.
Well, I can't hold him. I'm recording.
It's just focusing. I'm trying to hit the button.
This is Ashley. She's holding a Dominique chicken and it won't shut up. Oh my god, why is it going? Oh my god. Somebody hold it.
Ready? Take a pic now. Click it. Click.
Taking a video of him.
I know, that's the same thing I'm doing.
I'm putting this up on YouTube.
Put the chip on the bottom of our... No, my eye was so far. I get the farthest.
Sorry about the whole camera, right?
Oh man, I put the camera on. Hi, Mama.
Let me make sure my flash is off, so I don't, because this flash thing. Hi.
Are you tweeting me?
Yeah.
Oh, I hate you.
Go see the other chicken here.
Oh, how cute they are.
I'm recording. Say hi, John.
Hey, El Chico.
Say hi, John.
Hey, what's up?
I'm putting this on YouTube for everybody to see the chicken.
No, you're not him.
Let me show you
That's El
something.
Chico.
Say hi, Tyler.
Move out the way, Tyler.
Let me show you El Biggio.
That's El Biggio.
It's Biggie.
Biggie.
Jump off.
Hi.
Oh yeah, and this is Twinkie.
I vibed to my old music. It was all a dream.
Hey, that's
Used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and pepper and heavy tea up in my limousine. Hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attacking with the magic mall. I let my tank drop till my tank drop. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack.
Okay, enough with
match.
the singing chicken.
The heart, you never thought that hip-hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight 'cause I rhyme tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the world trade. Born from the opposite. When I remember when I used to eat sardines, but then
Bye.
Star ski.